fam, they don't know that God is about to BRB.
These Philistines thought they could flex on me. Big mistake. I just took some pre-workout and finna bring the house down.
That's good, fam. Your boy David here, about to yeet this little stone at Goliath and see what happens.
Okay, so I told y'all to trust the process. But no, y'all wanted to stay in Egypt stacking bricks.
Yo, it's Shadrach. This random dude just showed up. It's getting lit in here.
I got the horses in the back. Horse tack is attached. Hat is matte black. Got the boots that's black to match.
Day 2 in the tomb. No Wi-Fi, no snacks. Just kind of waiting for God to respawn me.
You know I'm a daddy's boy. He's got me in this Technicolor drip. Brother's so jelly right now. They're looking a little sus.
I'm supposed to say that God got me pregnant? Yeah, there's no way my parents are buying this story.
I would like to formally apologize to God, the sailors, and this whale. Sorry, dude. I just took a poop over there.
Okay ba tong mga AI Bible stories na lumalabas ngayon? Okay lang ba gumawa ng mga stories from the Bible using AI? I think yes naman, as long as it will remain faithful sa scripture and it will glorify God. Pero itong napanood natin, I find it medyo blasphemous kasi una hindi biblical yung mga sinasabi nila. Though galing sa Bible yung kwento, pero yung mga sinasabi ng karakter mismo, hindi siya biblical. Naiintindihan ko naman na hinahaluan nila ng konting humor para maging engaging. Pero ang danger kasi dito, yung iba, visual learner kasi sila eh. So, nagbe-base sila sa mga video na napapanood nila. Yun yung danger po. No? Huwag tayo magre-rely sa mga AI Bible stories as our source of truth. We understand na modern creative communication na to at pwede nating magamit to to share the gospel as long as biblical. Kasi what the enemy meant for evil, God will turn it for good. Again, ang danger nga lang dito is pag dito na kayo nag-base ng faith ninyo at ginagawa talaga ng iba yan. Kasi magiging talamak na to in the next 2 to 3 years. Magiging mas talamak pa yan. Pero pwede kayo manood ng mga ganyan, pero make sure na you must read the Bible every day. Okay, must. Hindi mo pwedeng palitan ang pagbabasa mo ng Bible sa panonood mo ng mga AI videos. Tool lang ang AI, hindi source of truth. Kasi si Satan, ginamit niya din ng scripture. Pero ang ginawa niya, tinwist niya. So maraming gagawa ng ganyan using AI. Kasi ang demonyo, hindi naman atake yan ng obvious. Hindi niya kailangang punitin ang Bible, no? Ginagawa niya, mini-misinterpret niya. Kaya mga kapatid, test everything. God bless.